Baker 304.
Baker 304.
Our suspect's returned.
Copy, suspect return.
He's walking towards us from the other side of the building.
Return walking towards you now, 1826.
One more unit come this way just in case he runs. He doesn't see us yet.
Falcon 04, I can break. Falcon 04, 1826.
Go on foot pursuit. He's running towards Fred Meyer parking lot over here.
I'll be running towards Fred Meyer. Foot pursuit.
He's hopping the fence.
Jumping the fence.
.301, he's running in the medical center apartment over there in the same complex as Fred Meyer. And I'm going to have one to take.
Bring this out and detaining one now.
Nope, detaining another one. My RP, father, just had to shoot around in the air.
Detaining one still running.
.301, I have my RP detained. I need units in the Fred Meyer parking lot to look for my subject.
Copy, I detain units to Fred Meyer left for the other.
I'm breaking it back.
I'll do the receive.
Hey, Korea, do you want a K9?
K9 2 is in
Yes,
route.
please, if we still have K9. All we had last time was Lakewood that didn't respond.
K9 2 is in route.
Thank you. Put K9 at, or not K9, units at 19th and Mildred. And then circle around from there.
Okay, so 19th and Mildred and circle around from there, 1828.
And secure track 1.
Receive, cancel me for audience assisting on Baker 304's call. Type 1 is secured, 1828.